In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove or reduce ads when using YouTube on your TCL Smart TV, whether you're watching through the built-in app or a streaming stick. While getting rid of every ad completely usually requires YouTube Premium, there are a few smart tricks you can try to make your viewing experience smoother and less interrupted. First off, if you're open to a paid option, YouTube Premium removes all ads from videos across devices, including your TCL Smart TV. You can sign up directly through the YouTube app on your TV or online through your account. If you're looking for free options, keep in mind they're more limited and not always reliable, like using third-party apps or modified versions of YouTube, which may not be safe or supported anymore. Another trick is to use picture-in-picture mode, if available, to skip some pre-roll ads by minimizing the video after hitting play, then closing and reopening the app. Some users have also had luck with using web browsers on their TCL TV and enabling desktop or mobile view to bypass certain ads, though results vary. Lastly, consider connecting an external streaming device like Fire Stick or Roku, where you can install YouTube through an app that supports ad-blocking features, again, often unofficial. Thanks for watching. If you found a method that helped cut down on those annoying YouTube ads on your TCL TV, drop a comment below and let me know what worked best for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart TV tips. See you next time.